Alright, welcome to this channel. If you are new to my channel, I am Emmanuel EOEnet. So in this channel I teach digital related updates, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clone any website in less than 10 minutes. Whether you are looking for delivery website, real estate or property management website, any kind of website at all you can ever think of, even shopping website, I'm going to teach you how to clone or migrate it from one server to the other. So please remember to subscribe to my channel if today is your first time coming to my channel, and for those that have been with me all through, I say very big thank you for being part of the community. So right now let's dive straight into the video. So I'm going to copy this. You can see this website. This is a delivery website. I want to use it as an example. You can see the shipping service here, shipment tracking, resources, and the rest of them. If you look at this point, this is another website. This one is shopping, or rather you can call it e-commerce website. This is e-commerce website, and this one also is another delivery company website. If you also check this place, this is a celebrity website. This one is celebrity website, and this one is property website for sales of properties and the rest of them. So you can actually copy or clone any of this website. And take note, I design all of this. If you want me to design any website for you, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I would be glad to give you a stunning website that will help you skyrocket. So right now, the website we are going to be working with is this particular one, this one here. So I'm going to copy this link. This is the link to the website. I'll copy it, and then I'll go to my software, this software, and I'll paste it here, and I'll just go ahead and click on copy. You can actually scan first to see all the files that are in the website, but I don't want to do that. I just want to go straight to the point. So I'll click on this place here, copy. So we are going to allow my software to do what? To clone or copy this website for us. Yeah, the first thing is to copy this website. So if you look at this place, it says downloaded website, whatever. This is just to show me where it's going to save my file. So I'll just click yes. So now it's scanning. You can see it trying to copy. So it says copying website, please wait. So we are going to allow it for some time as it copies the website for us. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you are finding value in my video. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and follow for more, so that whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. Remember, I also made a video earlier on how to create shipping and courier tracking number. If you have not watched that video, you can also go and watch the video, and I will be dropping a lot of videos from now on. I will be dropping a lot of videos like how to create a property management website or real estate website, how to create e-commerce website, otherwise known as shopping website. I'll be creating and showing you how to do all of these things, and some other digital related stuffs that I'll be dropping here. So ensure you stick around and let's hang on as our website copies. So our website is done copying. So right now I'm going to open the folder. Let's open it and see how beautiful and cool it is. So you are going to click on this point where it says open output folder. So I'll click on it and come to this point. You can see these are all the files. This is the files that it copied. So now we want to look at the website and see whether it really worked or not. So I'm going to remember, this is the link to the other website here. So now I'm going to click on this point again. This is it here. So I'll click on this place, index. So I'll open it on another browser. Let's see. So I'll open with Chrome. Let me open it with Chrome. Let's see it. Wow, this is it. Look at it exactly. Look at, can you see everything is working? Look at this. Look at it. You can see everything is working perfectly, just like the original website. This is the original one here. You can see it here, and now this is the copied one here. So remember, this is just for educational purposes, and if you want to see, or you want me to make another video and show you how to transfer it to a live server so that it can be working from anywhere in the world, like transferring it into website, I mean like a hosting server, so that everything will be working fine, comment in the comment section and let me know. Then I will make a new video on that. So if you love this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop your comment and let me know what you think in the comment section.